In my previous video, I have described the Excel conditional formatting, that is highlight cell rule, top bottom rule, data bars, color scheme, icon sets and clear rule. One of my friend has commented me that he wants to set a condition that if A1 is less than B1, then B1 will be green. If A1 greater than B1, then B1 will be highlighted with red. And if A1 is equal to B1, then B1 will be highlighted with yellow color. In this video, I will solve this problem. Hello friends, I am Samir Ghosh and you are watching my channel Samir's Class. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel, and if this video will useful for you, then like my channel and press bell icon for new video notification. Let's start. To solve this problem, I have to set the new rules and conditional formatting. First of all, you see here 100 is less than 200. A1 is number 100 and in B1 it is 200. As per criteria, if A1 is less than B1, then B1 will be highlighted with green. Suppose, and if A1 is greater than B1, then B1 will highlighted with red. I will change the color, I will change the number, you see 300, then B1 changes to red. If A1 is equal to B1, then B1 will be highlighted with yellow. If I type it is 200, then you see the B1 color has been changed to yellow. Similarly, if A1 is less than B1, suppose 100, then you see the color changes into green. So how I have done this? For this, we have to select the new rule and conditional formatting. So first, select the numbers. Suppose I have two numbers, 100 and 200. Just increasing the number. You first select these numbers, then click on the conditional formatting, then click on new rule. In this dialog box, select last one. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Click here. Now first I have to set the criteria, that is A1 is less than B1. If A1 is less than B1, then it will be highlighted with green color. That means I will type here this cell is less than this, then it will be highlighted with green. Then I will click on the format cell and in the font tab select the color green and press OK. Again click on OK. The first rule has been set. Again we have to select new rule and again click on the use formula to determine with the cell format. We have to type the next criteria, that is if A1 is greater than B1, then B1 will be red. That is by this one, if greater than B1, then the color will be red. The font, change the font color, it will be red. Okay. Next, another condition, another criteria is if A1 is equal to B1, then B1 will be highlighted with the yellow color. Again click on the conditional formatting, then new rule and click on the use a formula to determine which cell format, and last criteria is A1 is equal to B1, then the font color will yellow. I will select the yellow color from here and press on OK and next OK. Now three criteria has been established. Again click on the new conditional formatting and now click on the manage rule. I can see all the three formulas which has been selected or which has been established in this rule manager, it is shown. Now you have to edit, then click on the edit rule, cancel. I will select only for B column data by deleting this one. By delete this one from here, and here delete this one from this here, and then apply and OK press. Now see, if I change it is 200, then it changes into yellow. Similarly, if I type here 300, then it will changes to red, and if I type 100, then it is changes to green. In this way, we can highlight the numbers as per required criteria. That's all for today's class. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.